Hi, Jake. Do you know a lot about trees?
Hey, Ian. I know a little. Why do you ask?
I was just thinking about how cool they are.
Yeah, trees are amazing. They help us breathe,
That's right. They make oxygen.
and they also give us fruit and wood.
I love that they give shade on hot days.
Me too. Sitting under a tree is so relaxing.
Trees also help animals. Birds build nests in them.
Did you know? Trees can live for hundreds of years?
Wow, that's a long time. Imagine what they've seen.
Yeah. They must have seen a lot of changes.
We should plant more trees. Don't you think?
Definitely. Trees help the earth in so many ways.
Plus, they make places look beautiful.
I agree. Let's find a tree planting event.
Great idea. We can help make our neighborhood greener.
I'm excited. Trees really do make a big difference.